In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unblock someone on emo. If you previously blocked someone on emo and now want to reconnect, the process is very simple and only takes a moment. Unblocking a person allows communication to return to normal. So once you finish, you'll be able to message them again, receive calls again, and they'll appear back in your contacts list inside the app. To get started, open the emo app on your phone. Make sure the app has fully loaded so you can navigate without interruption. Once you're on the main screen, find the person you blocked and tap on their profile or conversation. If you've blocked them before, their chat or profile should still be accessible in a limited way, depending on how your app is set up. After opening that person's profile or conversation, look for the option that says Unblocked. Tap on it to begin removing the block. This step tells emo that you want to restore contact with that person. Be careful here to select the correct profile, especially if you have several similar names in your contact list. Once you tap Unblocked, emo will usually ask you to confirm the action. This is a helpful safeguard so you don't unblock someone by accident. When the confirmation prompt appears, go ahead and confirm Unblocked. After that, the change should take effect immediately. Now that the person has been unblocked, a few things happen right away. First, you can send messages to them again, just like before. If you were unable to continue a conversation because of the block, you can now restart it normally. Second, you can receive calls from them again through emo, which means voice and video communication can resume if they try to contact you. And finally, they return to your contacts list, making it easier to find and interact with them in the future. If you don't see the change right away, give the app a second to refresh or close and reopen emo. In most cases, though, the unblock works instantly, and that's all there is to it. Open the emo app, tap the person you blocked, click Unblocked, and confirm the action. Once done, messaging, calling, and contact visibility are restored. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.